Let's take a look at the Equal Scallop toolpath in Mastercam 2020. In this file, I have the green faces selected as drive and the red geometry selected as a boundary. Oftentimes, boundaries in this toolpath can create distortion in the pattern. The Equal Scallop toolpath adds tolerance to the boundaries to help clean up the distortion. Oftentimes, we want to start with small values for our tolerance, somewhere around our total tolerance, but you may need to approach your step over amount to clean up the cut. We're looking to remove the distortion in the cut. Be aware that the amount of tolerance you put in also allows your toolpath to violate your boundary by that amount. Notice that I have 10 thou in my tolerance and my toolpath is now going outside my boundary by 10 thou. The Equal Scallop toolpath does also support contact point containment. This is giving me quite a bit of distortion in my cut. This toolpath is using the smoothing tolerance, giving me a lot smoother motion. The Equal Scallop toolpath also has a smoothing option on the cut parameters page, smoothing. This is to clean up the sharp corners that are generated in the offset passes. As the passes are offset, you can get sharp corners. When I turn on the smoothing option, it rolls those sharp corners. The Equal Scallop toolpath also has an option for a spiral pattern. This is also on the cut parameters. This removes the transitions between cuts. I still have a few here for my open contours, but all these transitions between passes, it moves between passes. The spiral removes that. The cut spirals out, giving you better finishes. The Equal Scallop toolpath also supports Czech Faces. So this toolpath has the boundary removed and is using Czech Faces. Czech Faces are also boundaries that can create distortion in your cut pattern. So oftentimes you need to use plus or minus approximately your toolpath tolerance to clean up those distortions. And there's a quick look at the Equal Scallop toolpath in Mastercam 2020.